AWD. Chapman Ford Lincoln Mercury Mazda means business. You're looking at a fantastic 2012 Ford Edge that we are pleased to say is in absolutely fantastic condition. This versatile Edge, with its grippy AWD, will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw at you during one of her bad days at work. With our 5-day money-back guarantee, you can buy with confidence. If you decide that the vehicle you purchased is not exactly what you wanted, you can return the vehicle up to 5 days after taking delivery without penalty. This is not an exchange policy. It is a true 5-day money-back return policy. We just have a limit of 500 miles on the vehicle from delivery.